Ready to bring your creative ideas to life. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 free 2D animation software of 2024 that'll help you animate like a pro, no steep price tag required. Let's dive in. 1. OpenToonz. OpenToonz is more than just animation software. It's a creative powerhouse used by renowned studios like Studio Ghibli. With features for both frame-by-frame and bone-rigging animation, OpenToonz offers unparalleled artistic control. Its customizable tools allow you to craft characters and scenes from scratch, while its intuitive interface and extensive tutorials make it accessible for beginners. From special effects to dynamic camera movements, OpenToonz is the ultimate canvas for animators looking to tell unique, visually compelling stories. 2. Pencil 2D. Pencil 2D is designed for anyone wanting to ease into 2D animation without a steep learning curve. This software resembles a digital sketchbook, enabling users to draw and animate with familiar tools like pens, brushes, and shapes. Pencil 2D's simple interface and straightforward layer system allow you to bring your creations to life, one frame at a time. It's perfect for those looking to create basic animations or explore visual storytelling without the complexity of advanced animation tools. 3. SYNFIG Studio. SYNFIG Studio combines the best of vector and bitmap animation, providing a versatile platform for creating smooth, professional-grade animations. Its standout feature is a robust bone rigging system, allowing for realistic character movement without drawing each frame. SYNFIG Studio's layer system and non-linear timeline make it easy to organize and refine animations. Ideal for both beginners and advanced users, SYNFIG Studio lets you explore dynamic movement and intricate designs with ease. 4. Krita. Krita is a favorite among digital artists and illustrators who want to expand into animation. Known for its extensive brush library and realistic textures, Krita provides the tools needed to create vibrant, expressive frames. It also includes basic animation features like onion skinning and layers, allowing you to build fluid sequences and captivating scenes. Whether you're animating a short sequence or creating comic-style stories, Krita is an invaluable tool for those looking to merge drawing and animation. 5. Blender. Blender may be known for 3D design, but it also excels at 2D animation, making it a versatile tool for animators of all levels. With its comprehensive set of tools for rigging, modeling, animating, Blender offers unmatched flexibility. You can easily animate characters, create intricate backgrounds, and use materials and lighting to add depth to your 2D scenes. Blender's free and open-source platform makes it accessible, and its powerful features make it a go-to for creating both simple animations and complex scenes. And that's our list of the top 5 free 2D animation software for 2024. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on animation tools and creative software.